For question 7, we need to complete this tally table. The thing to remember with this is every time you mark down a colour, you cross it off. So let's do red first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 reds. So I'm going to write a tally for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, and then the frequency 7. Let's do greens next. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then on to blues. I've got 1, 2, 3. Only 3 blues. And then finally yellows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then complete the table with 4. So I've got 7, 6, 3, and 4. And if you cross off these, you'll make sure you don't miss any out. So our table ended up with 7, 6, 3, and 4. And we're asked to draw a suitable diagram to show the favourite colours of these people. Now, there are more than one option for this, but the most sensible one is probably a bar chart. So I need to make sure my frequencies go up to 7, so I'll put a 0 at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I must label this axis frequency. That will cost you a mark if you don't. You've always got to label your axes. And then I'll begin drawing the bars. So the first bar I'm going to draw is going to go up 7, right to the top, like this. And we'll shade that one in. And then the next bar for green goes up to 6. And then 3. And finally 4. And we're still not done yet because we've got a few more labels to do. So we need to label each of these bars. So the first bar was red. The next bar was green. Next bar was blue. And the final bar was yellow. And we're still not done because we haven't labelled this axis. This axis at the bottom was showing the colours. So that's a completed bar chart. Most important things to remember here are the labels. So you've got to label these. And to make sure that you put a gap in between every one of these bars. If you don't put a gap and you join them up, so your bars look like this, and then another one joined up like that, and then something like this, you'll lose marks in the exam. You must put a gap between each of these bars if you draw a bar chart.